How to use Best Buy credit card for financing. In order to use a Best Buy credit card for financing, what you need is, first thing first, you have to apply online at bestbuy.com or in store. For a Best Buy credit card, approval requires a good credit, typically about 700 plus, or you may be considered for a store card with a fare. So what you need is, open up your browser, type in Best Buy credit card. Once you do it, so you can go ahead and look for these Best Buy credit cards. You could tap open the first link that pops up. Now, while purchasing, you have to select from an available financing plan. Common options include 12-month financing, 18-month, and 24-month as well. Then you have to use your card at a checkout online or in store, ensuring the finance promotion is applied to your transaction. And you need to use a Citi online portal to monitor your balance, track your promotions, pay off a date, and set up automatic payment to ensure the balance is paid in a full before the promotion period ends. And this is how you're supposed to use Best Buy credit for financing. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in a next video.